Jimsonweed, scientifically known as Datura stramonium, is a fascinating and infamous plant with a long history of medicinal, ritualistic, and toxic uses. It belongs to the Solanaceae family, commonly known as the nightshade family, which also includes tomatoes, potatoes, and belladonna. Jimsonweed is native to North America but has spread globally, thriving in temperate and subtropical regions. It is often found in disturbed soils, such as roadsides, fields, and wastelands, which makes it a common weed in many countries. Physical characteristics. Jimsonweed is an annual herbaceous plant that can grow up to 1 to 2 meters tall, depending on environmental conditions. Its leaves are large, ovate, and have irregular, toothed margins. They emit a distinctive, somewhat unpleasant odor when crushed. The plant produces trumpet-shaped flowers, which are typically white or violet, about 5 to 8 centimeters long, and bloom during summer and early autumn. These flowers are followed by spiny seed pods, roughly the size of a walnut, which contain numerous small, dark seeds. The seeds are highly toxic and contribute to the plant's notorious reputation. Chemical composition and toxicity. One of the most remarkable aspects of Jimsonweed is its potent chemical composition. It contains tropane alkaloids such as atropine, scopolamine, and hyoscyamine. These compounds are responsible for its psychoactive and toxic effects. Even a small ingestion of the seeds, leaves, or flowers can cause severe symptoms, including dry mouth, dilated pupils, hallucinations, elevated heart rate, confusion, and, in extreme cases, coma or death. Historically, Jimsonweed poisoning has been documented, particularly among children who accidentally ingest the seeds, and it is considered a medical emergency. Historical and cultural significance. Jimsonweed has a long and varied history in human culture. Indigenous peoples of North America used it in shamanic rituals to induce visions and communicate with spiritual entities. The plant's hallucinogenic properties were considered a gateway to the spiritual world. During colonial times, European settlers in Jamestown, Virginia, famously ingested the plant, giving it the common name Jamestown weed or Jimsonweed. It was also used historically in folk medicine for its antispasmodic and analgesic properties, although these uses were risky due to the plant's high toxicity. Medicinal uses. Despite its dangers, Jimsonweed has been utilized in modern medicine in controlled forms. The alkaloids atropine and scopolamine are extracted for therapeutic purposes. Atropine can be used to dilate pupils during eye examinations, treat bradycardia, slow heart rate, and counteract certain types of poisoning. Scopolamine has applications in preventing motion sickness and treating nausea. However, these uses require precise dosing under medical supervision, as the line between therapeutic and toxic levels is narrow. Ecological role. In addition to its human uses, Jimsonweed plays a role in the ecosystem. Its flowers attract pollinators such as bees, moths, and butterflies. The seeds, though toxic to humans, may be consumed by certain birds and insects, aiding in seed dispersal. However, because of its invasive tendencies, Jimsonweed can dominate disturbed habitats, outcompeting native plants and potentially disrupting local ecosystems. Cultivation and control. While Jimsonweed can be grown intentionally for medicinal or ornamental purposes, it is more commonly regarded as a noxious weed. Gardeners and farmers often need to manage its spread to prevent accidental poisoning of humans and livestock. Mechanical removal, herbicides, and regular monitoring are common strategies for controlling this aggressive plant. Conclusion. Jimsonweed is a plant of paradoxes: beautiful and dangerous, medicinal and toxic, spiritual and ecological. Its large, striking flowers and unique chemical properties have fascinated humans for centuries, but its potential for harm makes it a plant to approach with extreme caution. Awareness of its toxic nature, careful handling, and respect for its potency are essential when encountering this remarkable yet hazardous plant.